Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find games for your specific operating system on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main screen, direct your attention to the upper left corner where you'll see the Store tab. Go ahead and click on it to access Steam's full game library and storefront. Now, once the store page loads, look over to the right side of your screen. You'll notice a magnifying glass icon there, which is the search function. Click on this icon to open up the advanced search and filtering options. This is where you'll be able to narrow down games based on various criteria, including operating system compatibility. After clicking the search icon, scroll down through the page until you find a section labeled Narrow by OS on the right side. This section is specifically designed to help you filter games based on what operating system you're using, ensuring you only see titles that will actually run on your device. You'll see three main options listed here: Windows, macOS, and SteamOS plus Linux. Each of these represents the major operating systems that Steam supports. Go ahead and click on your preferred operating system from this list. As soon as you make your selection, Steam will automatically filter the games displayed to show only those that are compatible with your chosen OS. This saves you from accidentally purchasing or downloading a game that won't work on your system, which can be a real hassle. Now, if you want to make this filtering process even more convenient and have it automatically apply whenever you browse games on Steam, there's another way to set this up. In the upper right corner of the screen, click on your username to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Store Preferences. This will take you to a settings page where you can customize how the Steam Store displays content to you. On the Store Preferences page, scroll down until you find a section called Operating Systems. Just like before, you'll see the three main options: Windows, macOS, and SteamOS plus Linux. Here you can check the box next to the specific operating system you want Steam to prioritize. This setting is called Steam's Platform Preferences filter, and it controls what games Steam shows you in the store based on OS support. Once you enable this, it works automatically in the background, helping to hide incompatible games from your suggestions and recommendations. This means you won't waste time browsing through titles that won't even run on your computer. And that's all there is to it. You've now set up Steam to show you only the games that are compatible with your operating system, making your browsing experience much smoother and more efficient. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.